Hey guys, Henry here from Product Creation Formula. In this video, we're going to be talking about a piece of software that can be used to create templates for the covers as well as templates for your low content pages. It is called PowerPoint Replicator. Now, it'll be able to show you exactly, it gives you all the bleeds, it gives you all the outlines, it gives you the various sizes that you can use, and it's all going to be available so you can use it on PowerPoint, and this way you can edit it and then turn it into a PDF and upload it straight into Amazon and be able to create a low content book for yourself. Okay, let me give you this review, and at the end of the video I'll be able to show you where you can get it from. While you're here, why not smash the like button, as well as subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can be notified whenever we upload more videos. Here at Product Creation Formula, we love to give you tips and tricks to be able to help you create your products quickly and easily. Along with that, we also do product reviews as well as tips on how to make money online. So let's go and check it out right now. Alright, now as you can see, this is the PowerPoint Replicator cover and page template creator. Now, it starts off with being 8.5 and usually it comes up as 120. 120 is the usual page it starts off on. So let's make that about 120. Now we can make this as a actual cover image, and you'll find that the reason you need to have the amount of pages is because you need to know what your spine size is going to be. So we click on that, we're going to click on the cover, create cover templates. And we're going to wait for that for a minute. Now it's going to have open up down here somewhere on one of these pages. It's going to want to show us this one here. There we are. And this is 120 pages. I'm just going to hit save, and this is what it comes up with. Oops, this is one of the previous ones I have created. So as you can see, I'm just going to reduce it, take that down to nothing, and this is actually the outline. This is what page you get. This is a blank page you can get, and this one here. Okay, now over here we're going to open the other one up, which is this one here, which is the 120 pages. And as you can see, the spine is a little bit wider on this one than the other one because it has more pages. Now, let's say, for example, you want to add an image to this. The first thing you're going to need to do is add a square or add some sort of rectangle. I like to take it to the edge of the bleed all the way through to the other edge. So from the outside to the outside. So let's go there like that and click on that. Now I'm going to right click here and I'm going to go down to where it says shape format. Now here you click on the fill button and then you go over here to where it says picture or there. Now I'm going to leave that there like that. It doesn't matter. That's the previous image I had downloaded, so it's just defaulting straight to that. Now if you want to change that, all you need to do is go to here, insert, and go to stock images, wait for this to wake up, and then you can choose whatever you want. Now let's have a look at an image that we can throw in there. Let's say, for example, you have a notebook on cooking, or you have some sort of, or you have, say, for example, a recipe book you want to do. Maybe you would like to have something like that, and you can throw that on there. And there is the cover of your recipe book. Now you want to be able to see those guides because you want to be able to keep within the spine. You want to know where the spine starts and finishes. And say, for example, you want to put a name down here and you'd like to put it down the spine. You can do all that, but you need to be able to see what you're doing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn the transparency down a bit so you can actually see what's going on here. So as you can see all the outlines now, and I've just left the image like that so you can see it. So all we need to do now is go over here to where the text box is. I'm going to now add here, I'm going to say Mum's Recipes. I'm going to make sure I make that, I'm going to keep that black because there's a nice light background. Might make that say 40 so it's bigger. Might turn that into an open sans. There we are. And I'm going to call this one Mum's Awesome Recipes. Or son. Awesome Recipes. Oop. There we go. And obviously we can centralize that. And there we have it. Now you can put your name down here if you wish to, or you can do a pseudonym. A lot of people recommend you do a pseudonym. So let's just put down here Jane Watson, and then we can maybe make that bigger. So just click on here, highlight over the top of that, and you can expand that up to say 28. Now of course you want to be able to centralize that, so we can go there, and there you have it. You may wish to do a bit more to it than this, but that's pretty much all you really need to do. Now you've got the picture and so forth. Let's go back here, and let's say for example we want to add one to the spine. So that's fine. All we have to do is go back here to shapes, go back here to text, go here and say Mum's Awesome Recipes by Jane Watson. And all we need to do now is turn that around so it's like that. Grab hold of this, take it over here, and as you can see it's a bit too big for the spine. But that's not an issue. All we have to do is highlight over the top of that. Oopsie daisy. Get that. I might even turn that around and make it easier for myself. There we are. All I have to do is go have a highlight over the top of that and maybe turn that down to 12. Spin that around, and does the name fit within the thing? To be able to find that out, I'm going to hit the control button, and I'm going to now use my roller on my mouse to close in and have a better look at that. Now that fits perfectly within the bleed, as you can see. So I'm now going to scroll it back out again so we can see. Oops, it's too much. Okay, and that's all you need to do at this point. Now, we're not going to be making this into a recipe book for real. What we're actually going to be doing is we're going to be having this, we're going to be creating a page. Now, one of the things that's really awesome with what they do is these guys here, whoops, let me just close this one off. These guys here also send us a whole bunch of images that we can use to put on our pages. Now let me go find it for us. Go over here to my D drive. There it is. Now over here in the software section, you click on there, and as you can see where it says export, it gives us a whole bunch of templates. I think there's about 40 templates in total. And you can choose these templates. Now I've chosen one already like this, and I created one which was this one here. Now all I did was I had a blank page, and I put this priority planner belongs, and because I made this one into a priority planner, this priority planner belongs to, and I put that there. And then I chose from here, let me show you this one. This one here, if I open that up, this is A1. Now it has a little quote under here. Now it's a bit boring to keep the same quote on every single page. So what they've done was they've given you 10. It's got A1, A2, A3, A4, etc, 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 until you get to A10. And then all you need to do is just transfer that straight across to your PowerPoint slide. And that is exactly what I did here. And I have now 10 of these pages, and then all I did was I replicated that till I actually had 53 pages, I think it was. Yeah, I had 53 pages because there's 52 weeks in a year. And this is a weekly one. So this is a weekly priority and how and to-do list. So that's what we did here. So as you can see, that's what we're doing here. And all we need to do now is just turn this into a PDF. Now, what I do is I have this particular icon right there, which is called Save As. Now, for some reason, PowerPoint doesn't have this as a preset setting. So what you need to do to be able to get this icon to come up on your preset setting is you need to be able to put it up there for yourself. And to do that, you have to click on that, scroll down to more commands, and it's not even in your regular commands. So what you need to do, in which case, is you need to go over here to this top part here where it says popular commands. You click on that and you scroll right down to the bottom, sorry, not to the bottom, where it says third one down where it says all commands. You click on that, and what that'll happen is this will shrink down to a smaller bar, and then all you have to do is drag it down till you get to S, which is save, and you go to save as. There we are. Save as, that's the one just there. You click on that, you send it across to here, and then you hit OK, and it will give you that icon. Now, for you to be able to save this as a PDF really easily, all you have to do is, once you've got that icon, you just click on that, and make sure you save it as something you think you'll remember. In this particular case, I'm going to put this one and call this one Priority Planner 1 year. That'll do. And then all I have to do is make sure I click on that section there and take it up to PDF, and then hit save. And there we have it, saved as a PDF, and that is now going to show you 52 weeks. Every 10 days or every 10 working days, whatever it happens to be, you will have it repeat back. But you'll know those quotes quite well by the time the end of the year is up. Okay, this comes from a place, if you want to know how to get this, I'll leave a link down in the description below. Now, how you can actually get this is from a place called PLR Planners. And this is in the automation tool section. So you click on there, and this actually allows you to come up with a whole bunch of different things where you can go through and have a look at the various tools that they use. Now, I'm always looking for ways to speed my product creation process up. And to do that, all I have to do is I have purchased this one here, and it's $37, and this is a PowerPoint replicator, and as you can see, it comes up as a Excel document. So with that, when you do get it, this is what you will receive. Let me just go to it for a second. We'll click on that, we'll open that up, and when you go to software, you need to make sure that when you do get it, you go down to this one here, which is PPT Cover and Page Template Creator Final, and that's the one you need to click on, and that one is the one that will open up this wonderful bit of kit and allow you to be able to create your templates the way you want to make them. Alright, so as I said, that is from a place called PLR Planners, and as I said, I'll leave the link in the description below. Alright guys, if you like this video, please make sure you smash that like button, as well as subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can be notified whenever we upload more videos. Alright guys, have a great day, and bye for now.